We have a very short piece here. It's only 2 lines called Two Note March. And over here, we're playing with 2 notes only, C and G. The C is called the tonic note. It means it's the first note of a scale. So a G could be any note as long as it's the first note of that scale. In this case, we're in C position. So the tonic is C. The 5th note has another name called the dominant. So let's say I'm in D position. Now the tonic becomes D and the 5th note becomes A, the dominant. If I go back to C position, the tonic is C and the dominant is G. So let's play with these 2 notes. I'm going to put my right hand on middle C position, left hand also on the bass C position, and we're going to start with our G together. Let's go. G and C. Hold, hold. G, hold, down. That's it. Because we're only playing 2 notes here, I will give you a close-up once again and I'll slow it down a bit. So for 2 Note March, start with G. We're going to play G together and then C together. Okay?